Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Can you hear me, Natmin? Hello, Natmin. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, Natmin. Have you eaten dinner?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Natmin. So let's continue our discussion. Okay, so we are now in lesson 4, safety. Okay, but before that, before we proceed on our activity and our lesson, let's watch a video first. Okay, Natmin?
Yes.
Okay, so listen careful, watch and listen carefully. All right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Excuse me.
This is Rico. He's very good at snowboarding. But when he goes snowboarding, he always wears a helmet. This is Rebecca. She isn't very good at snowboarding. She usually wears a helmet to be safe. Snowboarding is fun. These boys are kayaking. They're good at kayaking, and it's fun. But when they go kayaking, they always wear life jackets, and they never stand up in the kayak. These people are at the beach. It's hot and sunny, and everybody puts on sunscreen. Some people wear hats too. Some people are good at skiing or snowboarding in the mountains. And some people are good at surfing or kayaking at the beach. But at the beach or in the mountains, it's always best to be safe. When you do sports, what do you do to be safe?
Okay. All right, Natmin. So before we proceed, I would like to ask you what kind of sports do you do? What kind of sports do you play? Hmm? Do you play? Okay, what kind of sports? What kind of hobbies do you have? Natmin? Football?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Okay, listen, point, and say. Okay, Natmin, let me play the audio and listen carefully, okay? And after that, we will proceed on our reading.
Page 10, Lesson 4, Safety. B.
Safety.
Listen, point, and say. 1,
Wear a helmet.
2,
Put on sunscreen.
Mhm.
3,
Wear a life jacket.
4,
Fasten your seatbelt.
Wow.
Page 10, Lesson
Nice
4,
glass.
Safety. B. Listen,
Okay, one
point,
more.
and say.
Where?
1,
Wear a helmet.
2,
on sunscreen.
3,
Wear a life jacket.
4,
Fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, that means. Let's proceed on number 1. Wear
Yeah.
wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet.
Number 2. Number 2, put on
Put
sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Okay. Number 3, wear a
Wear a
light jacket.
jacket.
Very good. Okay. Number 4, fasten
Fasten your seat.
Okay, very good.
Fasten.
Okay, fasten your seatbelt. Okay, let's try again. That mean, what is it? Very good. Wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet.
Well done. In this picture,
Put
put on
on
put on sans.
then
Okay, put on sunscreen. Sunscreen.
put on sunscreen.
Okay, well done. How about this picture? Wear
And jacket.
very good. Okay. Last, fasten
Fasten
your. Okay, what do you call this thing? In the car, fasten your seatbelt.
fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, well done. Fasten your seatbelt. Okay, letter C. Okay, exercise C. Not mean. Listen and say, then listen and read. Okay, let me play again the audio for this one and listen carefully.
Page 10. See, listen, and say. Then listen and read.
When you go snowboarding, always wear a helmet. When we're riding in the car or playing on the beach, we have rules. Here are some rules.
1,
Snowboarding is fun. When you go snowboarding, always wear a helmet. Don't go too fast.
Number 2.
2,
When you go to the beach, always put on sunscreen. Drink water and wear a hat too.
3,
When you
go canoeing on the river, always wear a life jacket. Never stand up in the canoe.
4,
Does your family have a car? Be safe. When you ride in a car, always fasten your seatbelt.
Page 10. See, listen, and say. Then listen and read.
When you go snowboarding,
Oops. Alright, that means. So let's proceed on our reading. Okay, let's start with this one first. When you go snowboarding, oops, always
with a hint.
okay, very good. Okay, number 1. Okay, sorry. When we're riding, when we're
when are
riding
riding in
in
the car
the car or
playing on the beach.
okay, on the beach, we have
We have rules.
here are
Here are some
rules. Okay, very good. Number 1. Number 1, snowboarding
nobody in front
fun.
when you go spotting.
Always
Always
wear
wear
mhm, always wear a what do you call this? The thing that you put on your head to protect your head from any danger, from any accident or incident. Always wear a helmet. Helmet. Okay, don't go too
to
fast.
back
Okay, fast. Fast.
back
Very good. Okay, well done, Nadine. Number 2, when you go
when you go to the beach
always
and they put on
sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Okay, drink water. Mm-hmm. And
We are hot
very good. Well done. Okay, number 3. When you when you go canoeing
and you canoeing
mhm,
on the Grand
river,
River
always
and
wear always wear
where
a life
I lie
a life jacket.
jacket
Never stand up.
in the canoe.
Okay, very good. Never stand up in the canoe. Okay, number 4. Does your family have a car? Does your family have a car? B. mhm, Be safe. Hello, Natmin. Can you hear me? Okay, be safe.
Be safe when you are in the car. Always when you
Fasten
fasten
your seat belt. All right. So, okay, that means does your family have a car? Yes or no? Does your family have a car?
Gia đình bạn có xe hơi không?
Yes or no? Yes. Do you fasten your seat belt when you ride a car? Do you fasten your
yes,
seat belt every time you ride a car?
yes.
Okay, very good, Natmin. All right, so let's go back to our book. All right, Natmin. So based on what you've read, okay, based on the text that you've read, we will going to answer exercise D. Read and circle. Okay, circle true or false. If the statement is correct, it is true. If it's wrong, it is false. If based on the text that you've read. Okay. Oops. Okay. Number one. When you kindly read number one. Read. Okay, let's start reading. When you
When you go to spotting, remember I'm going 1 minute.
okay, go ahead. That means
Ngày ba. Thế sao rồi? Không.
Phải tập trung.
okay, Natmin, welcome back. Hello, Natmin.
Picture.
All right. Okay, Natmin. So let's continue reading. Number one. When you go snowboarding,
Nobody
always
over
wear
where
seatbelt.
people
Okay, true or false? When you go snowboarding, okay, snowboarding, do you have to wear a seatbelt? True or false? That mean, is it true or false? False. Very good. Okay. So we don't have to fasten or to wear our seatbelt when we are snowboarding because we are not going to ride a car. Okay. Number 2, when you go, okay, start reading. When, kindly read number 2. When you go, hello, Natmin. Okay, so let's continue reading. We are now in number 2. When you go,
When you go to fish,
when you go to the beach, always,
when you go to beach, always put on the
okay. So when we visiting, when we visiting a beach, okay, do we always have to put a sunscreen? True or false? When you go to the beach, always put a sunscreen. Put on sunscreen. True or false? Is it false? We don't need sunscreen?
jokes.
True. Okay, we need sunscreen. Okay, to protect our sunscreen from UV rays. Okay, number 3. When you go
When you go
canoeing,
canoeing,
always.
always wear a life
Okay, true or false? Do we have to wear our life jacket? The answer is true or false? The answer is true. Okay, Natmin? Hello? Canoeing. Okay. So every time we ride, every time you go canoeing, always wear a life jacket. So these are the example. Canoeing. See? They are all wearing a life jacket because it's dangerous. What if you fall into the water? You don't know how to swim. So it's just for safety, for our safety. Okay, Natmin? So this is the example of canoeing. Canoeing. Alright. Okay, number 4, Natmin. When you ride,
when you ride in a car
always
on way
always wear. When you ride in a car, always wear.
when you ride in a car on way
Always
wear
always wear a helmet.
on way
Okay, is it true or false? Do we need to wear a helmet? When we are riding a car, do we have to wear a helmet? When we ride a car? Yes, true or false? That mean? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Okay. So is it true or false? What is your answer?
Four.
Hmm? False. Okay, very good. We don't need to wear a helmet if we are inside the car. Okay, very good, that mean. Letter E, exercise E, listen and fill in the chart. Okay, so listen carefully, not mean. Okay, I will play the audio and listen. Alright? Mhm.
Page 11. E. Listen. Fill in the chart. 1,
When you go skiing, always wear a helmet.
2,
When you go canoeing, always wear a life jacket.
3,
When you ride a bike, always wear a helmet.
4,
When you ride in a car, always fasten your seatbelt.
5,
When you go skateboarding, always wear a helmet.
6,
When you go to the beach, always put on sunscreen.
Okay, not mean. So look at the chart. Okay, not mean, and we will going to put a check on each activities. Okay, for example, when you go skiing, you have to put a helmet. When you go canoeing, you have to wear a life jacket. Okay. But what if you are going to ride a bike? What do you need to? What do you need to wear? Or what do you need to put on for your safety? When you are riding a bike, you need to put on what? Is it sunscreen, helmet, seat belt, or jacket, life jacket? What is your answer? You will choose from here. Sunscreen, helmet, seat belt, or life jacket. When you are riding a bike, when you're going to ride your bike, what you have to wear or to put on for your safety? Helmet. Very good. Okay, how about when you're going to ride a car? Do you have to put on sunscreen, helmet, seat belt, or life jacket? What is your answer, not mean? I can hear your brother answering the question. What is your answer? We have to put on. We have to fasten. Very good. We have to fasten our seatbelt every time we are riding a car. Very good. Okay, how about skateboarding? When you're going to skateboard, what do you have to put on? Sunscreen, helmet, seatbelt, or life jacket? Skateboard. We have to put on helmet. Very good. Okay, last one. When you go to the beach, okay, when you go to the beach and visit the ocean, what do you have to put on? Sunscreen, helmet, seatbelt, or a life jacket?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen, okay, to protect our skin from the sun. Okay, well done. That means perfect. Okay, that means since we don't have much time, that means we will going to finish our lesson from here and we will continue our discussion next week on Monday. Okay, Natmin?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you again next week and have a good night, Natmin. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.